गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम भवताप प्रणाशिन्ने आनंद घनमूर्तये ज्ञान भक्ति प्रदायिन्ने मातस्तुभ्यं नमो नमः। जय माँ, जय माँ, जय माँ। Today again there is a question. Someone has asked, can you tell us what ceremony can be performed for the freedom of souls who have committed suicide? And apparently somebody from his family had committed suicide, say 5 years ago. So obviously he must be worried. See, like I have said earlier also, this is the biggest crime one can do, of committing suicide, taking one's life, own life. It's the worst thing one can do. Now that is done. So what can one do about it? See, what happens to these souls is when they commit suicide like this, they are just roaming around in the ethereal world. You see, it's immediate after the physical body, one goes to the ethereal world, जो कभी-कभी भूत प्रेत दुनिया भी कहते हैं. And they are just roaming around and they're restless because they haven't got the release yet. Now, how does one help them? Because over there are no guardian angels who will take care of them or release them. It's only in this physical world जो उनके रिश्तेदार हैं, जो सगे संबंधी हैं, immediate family है या family members हैं, those are the people who can really help them, nobody else. So this becomes your duty. The person who's asked me this question, I'm talking to him. This is your duty to release him, okay? Your karmas improve and obviously you're giving him that release. इसको मोक्ष नहीं बोलते हैं, मुक्ति नहीं बोलते हैं. Release from that world where he is restless, roaming around, so he can move forward in his journey. Now, generally what happens is, Shraddh is performed. Immediately after the person dies, Shraddh होता है, जो हिंदुओं में होता है, कि Shraddh ceremony होती है, जो 12-13 दिन चलती है. So now, supposing the Shraddh hasn't been done, so you can do it now. Since this question has come up, obviously it is playing on your mind that you haven't done anything and what ceremony can be done. So whoever, this is addressing everybody, whoever is concerned about this, you have to perform a Shraddh for this departed soul. Now, there are specific places where this kind of Shraddh is done. Generally क्या होता है कि normally when people die, you can do Shraddh wherever you are, whichever place, whichever region you are in, you can do it immediately, it is done. But now it is 5 years. So there are specific places, one is Kurukshetra, one is Gaya, Bodh Gaya ka Gaya, and one is Haridwar. These are the 3 specific places where this kind of Shraddh is done, where people have committed suicide and nobody has really done anything for them. So one has to go there, find some Pandit, some Purohit that you know, who will guide you and who will take you to these places and tell you what to do. Because normal जो Purohits होते हैं अपने परिवार के, family Purohits, they don't do these kind of ceremonies. Shraddh ceremonies they don't do. And there are specific Purohits, Pandits over there, who perform only this kind of a Shraddh, for these souls. So you have to go there and get this done. Now once the ceremony is over, then you have to get the Bhagavat done. You have to find some Bhagavatkar that you trust, that you know, who will be effective, jo Bhagwan ka aadmi hai, that kind of a Vyasji you have to find and then get the Bhagavat done. There are lots of examples I have. Now some people might say, we don't believe in this, or we are foreigners, or we are this, or we are that, or we belong to some different religion, and what about us? If you believe in this concept, you can do it. Otherwise, like Ma used to, somebody had asked Ma, कि जो हिंदू नहीं हैं and दूसरी जाति के हैं who don't believe in ceremonies or anything, what happens to those souls? So Ma said, don't worry about that, भगवान उनको देख लेगा. So that is also there. But since this is playing on your mind, the moment that thought comes to you, okay, what should I do? You know, sometimes what happens is these souls who have departed, they come in your dreams. You kind of feel yourself, you feel restless sometimes, and that thought keeps coming into your mind. That is a clear indication that the person is asking for help, because over there is no help. So then it becomes your duty to do it, you see. There was one incident which again I have mentioned in one of my earlier videos, that there was a foreigner, there is this foreigner who came to me, and now these are foreigners, they are not Indians. And he said that, you know, his family members, some people had died 20 years ago like this, you know, it was a crash, plane crash or something. And so I said, why are you asking me 20 years later, you know? So he said, no, it's not like they're troubling me. Sometimes the souls do trouble you also. But he said that nobody's troubling me, but this thought is playing on my mind too much. So that again is a clear indication. So what should I do? So I arranged his Shraddh in Haridwar, you know, to get the Shraddh done and all that. And finally he got the Bhagavad done. And he actually saw his relatives in the Bhagavad. That is how powerful this is. He saw them coming and they were very happy. Bhagavad mein hota hai aisa. Especially in Ma's ashrams, we have seen it all the time. Jiske liye bhi Bhagavad hota hai, those souls do come. And you do sometimes get their darshan. So that means they have released themselves. So, you know, it is important to do all this. Now, being a foreigner, he still did it because he believed in this concept. So it's totally up to an individual. It's not like, you know, nobody's pressurized into doing anything. But if the thought bothers you, yes, you must have this done. You know, because you are helping them. They are not released. What happens to them over there? Supposing they have hung themselves on a fan and killed themselves, suicide ho gaya. This moment of death where they hang themselves and they die, so supposing it goes like that and the neck goes like this, that will go on repeating till pralaya, till finally they dissolve themselves and emerge into the Brahman and the entire Srishti comes to an end. That tape will go on. Can you imagine how much suffering they are going through? That moment of death goes on repeating like a rewind film for them. And it is horrifying. Even the thought is horrifying. So they have to be helped. So if you do this Shraddh ceremony, do the Bhagavad, after that, generally what happens is when a soul passes away and you immediately get the Shraddh done, the 12, 13 days of Shraddh, then you have to wait for a year to get the Bhagavad done. But this is like 5 years, and you know, if time has passed by, you can have the Bhagavad done immediately. As soon as the Shraddh is over, come back wherever you've gone and come back to your own city, wherever you are. Find the Vyasji, get an appointment, get things organized, because Bhagavad is like a marriage ceremony. It's huge. So there's a lot of planning, lot of organization involved in that. So get help from people and get the Bhagavad done. It is very important. माँ तो हमेशा बोलती थी कि भागवत होनी चाहिए, you know. So it is important. So these are the things one needs to do, and you release that person from that particular plane where he is restless and roaming around. He's just wandering. He doesn't know what to do. And that moment of death goes on repeating for himself. So you release him from there. तो आपके कर्म तो कितने अच्छे हो गए, बढ़ गए. You know. So this is all I had to say. And I hope you got your answer. And let me know. Comment and let me know whether you were okay with this, you know. So I would advise you to do this ceremony. go to any of these places, Kurukshetra, Gaya, ya Haridwar. Just now, I don't know because of COVID or whatever, if things are available or not. I have no idea. You'll have to find out and get the thing done. That's all. Jai Ma. Om Bhavatapa Pranashinne Ananda Ghanamurte Jnana Bhakti Pradayine Matastubhyam Namo Namaha. Jai Ma. Jai Ma.